Why? That was it. Wait, you're actually recording.
It's on. It's on.
Wait, are you really recording right now?
Yeah. And I'm going to upload this in YouTube, guys. And I'm out. Don't be shy.
Wait, let me go wash my hands.
Go ahead. Okay.
Wash your hands. 11. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Come on, Daltiya. Wait, yes. Yes, come in. Hi, Mom. Hi. So little sis. Wait. You can be the little girl and the boy. Wait, you can be the little the boy and the girl. Here. Wait. Thank you. Mom. Mommy. Hi. Mom. What? Mom. What? I'm hungry. Can I have some cereal for breakfast? Yep. My big brother. Yes. Okay. Bye, Mom. See you when I get back. I'm gonna come with you.
Are you shy? Where are you going? Why are you running? Hello? Come back, my love. They're shy. Yay! They're back!
Lie on the cloud. Right there. Mom, I'm gonna take me alone now. Mom! Stop pointing at our mother! Oh my god, like... Mommy! Mommy! Oh. I'm gonna open my nice neck. Hi. Mom, go sleep. Hey, Paris upstairs. Okay, Mom. Brother. What you upstairs? Oh yeah. Oh, you can play with the boys if you want to. Mom. She's asleep. Yes. Oh, or maybe not. Can we get a kitty? Yes. Drink? Oh, wait. We don't have any money for it. We don't have enough money. Sis! You can't find. You can't find. You can't. No, that's the daughter. You have to say daughter. No, you have to say daughter, Daltiya. Because that's your daughter. Sis! Wasn't even doing anything. You were ringing the doorbell. I didn't. But I did. But I never had a YouTube channel. My mom keeps saying, but then my dad deleted it to allow that.
Oh.
Okay. I hate when it does that.
Yeah.
Well, if you don't mess with it, it will.
Don't worry, they're not gonna bite you.
Get away from me! No! Get away from me! Yeah.
Yeah, it's gone. Come back.
I think it kind of wants you because of the flowers on your dress.
Or
Flowers.
No, it's. No, you know why? Because there's a lot of sweet right there. The popsicle, guys. Yeah.
It is on my truck. It is
Yeah.
on my truck.
Yeah, you ate your popsicle, so no more popsicle, okay?
No! In the ground! On your guys' legs.
Okay, go. Continue.
A zombie!
What? The zombie?
Day. I can't believe we were on the roof all day yesterday. And we slept down here. Mom.
She likes sweet.
Let's do the slide first, guys. Okay. Hey. That What's this? This is a cloud slide. Woohoo! That was so much fun. Door. It's another door. Yeah. And there are tons of things on it. And the dogs always pooped in my grandma's yard, so she always had to leave a message on the door.
Oh, really?
Yes. You want to see this cool loopy slide, Mom? Watch the loop. Oh my God! Look how she landed. She's sitting. You call this the loopy loop. No, that was a cartwheel in the air, little sis. No. This is a loop. Oh my God. Guys, I'm going home pee.
Yay!
Wait! Oh my God, it almost went on the balcony.
What's wrong, my love?
Baby doll did. Because I'll tell you guys what, once right there, my baby doll almost got stuck up there.
Right there?
Yeah, right there in the balcony. So
Oh.
Raven's dad had to get the broom and kind of hit it.
Oh, yeah.
Hit it down. So I was like, woo! And I got her stuck. Hey guys, watch this.
What?
I said my popsicles so melting on my hand. Guys, look. Hey, little sis, get over here. Watch this.
Wow! How about you, anak? It's your turn. Wow!
You really can't throw that doll. I'm gonna go get her like a different doll. I said since that one has batteries, you really can't throw that one. But I'm gonna go get her like one where she can throw it.
Thank
You're
you.
doing a break.
Okay.
And
Just-
die.
Hmm.
Whoa!
Woohoo! Ready? Oh, we have to go now.
Where you guys going?
Next time, we're going back to our shop. Work. Thank you very
Where are you
much.
guys going back to the shop?
Oh, honestly, we're going to pick up
The doll house?
the house. Yeah, say bye-bye. Give them a hug now. Oh, oh
I
we're...
think I'm gonna be here tomorrow. But Raven's gonna be at school.
Oh, I see. And you too?
No, I'm not in school yet. I think like next Wednesday, I think.
Oh, okay. Thank you. Say bye-bye.
Bye.
Say bye-bye, guys. Say bye-bye, guys.
Bye.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Come over here.
Bye-bye.
Dad, come over here now.
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Look, why are you crying? She's not ready? She's crying. She's not ready. Ready. Aw, pity my anak.
Look,
Go ahead. No, no, no. Let's go. Let's go inside. Come on, let's go. Say bye-bye na.
Bye-bye.
Bye, vlog.
Bye, vlog.
Say thank you very much for watching, guys.
Huh?
Say bye-bye na.
Bye-bye. Oh,